So hello everyone, welcome to our new video, and here we're gonna see today two-way data binding. Let's understand what is two-way data binding. In our previous videos we can see one-way data binding and the types of one-way data binding, but today we see what is the two-way data binding. So basically two-way binding gives components in your application a way to share data. Basically, in a two-way data binding, property binding and event binding are combined together. Okay, which we have learned in our the previous videos, property binding and event binding. So they both are combined together. So this is called a two-way data binding, or we can say simply it is used to update or display property at same time. Okay, I will show you how we can update and display the property same time. And in two-way data binding, automatic synchronization of data happens between the model and the view. Means it will go in the both the directions. Means one way is the model and the another way is the view. Model is our TypeScript file and the view is our HTML file. So two-way binding synchronize the data in between the both these model and the view, and this is the syntax of two-way data binding. You can see here, uh, this is how with the help of ng model we use two-way data binding. So to use this the ng model property, we should import forms module in the app module.ts file. So this is the main thing. Basically people forget when they using the two-way data binding, they forget to import the forms module. They just directly use the ng model and they got an error. But here I will show you how to import these things, and this is the syntax. You should write the ng model same like that in the brackets, these kinds of brackets. So let's go to our VS Code and let's see how we do the two-way binding. So this is our .html file, means our views, and the component is our model. Okay, so let's go here, and in our TypeScript file, let's suppose we give any name, and we just give any kind of name. We can put it in any, or in our HTML we have just put a syntax of two-way binding. So you know what that just we are using this in our input type. So we have just created our input type. You all know how to create an input box, and after that our main things start from here, like how we use the two-way data binding. So just makes this bracket, and inside this bracket we have import a ng model, and after that in ng model we have put just what our not name, which we have passed there of any type. Okay, just save this. So it is showing us error because we doesn't import it right now. So let's go to our app.module.ts file, and just what import, uh, we have to import what forms module from the angular forms, and just import it inside this import section, what the forms module, like this, and just save it. You can see we have compiled successfully, but before this we just have to update or view the data at same time. So let's see how we can do this. Like we can see, so we have right here h2 tag where we have print the name. So this will update the name, this input type update the name, and the h2 tag will show the name or the display the name property. So it will update and display the property at same time. It means this line, it is used to update and display property at same time. So this lines means is this like this. Okay, just simple. This will update the name every time we enter a name in the input box. It will updating it, and the h2 tag will display the property. Okay, so we have just save it, and it will, you can see, compiled successfully. So let's go to our browser and refresh it. You can see we have an input box, and if we enter anything in an input box like hello, so we can see when we print a enter a hello text, so it will also displays it. If we removes it, it will also removes. And like we say, my name is, so you can see it will displays and updates the property. Like every time we change the name, it will change something. Okay, like you can see, it will changes every time the text we are write in the text box. So this is mainly the two-way data binding, which is used to update and display property at same time. Okay, so thank you for this video. We will see in the next video. Till then, bye.